Here.
So you added salt now.
Yeah.
What did you add just before the wine? You added
Only
what?
salt.
Added salt.
And then, I need to get a,
Yeah.
ilang bang to? Half teaspoon. A dash of, ano ba yan?
That is a half teaspoon.
Okay, half teaspoon of wine.
Yeah.
Whatever, white wine or,
So add half teaspoon of white wine.
yes.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, add a little one more, but gawin mo 2 teaspoon.
Or 1 teaspoon, right?
1 teaspoon. Take a half, yan. Yeah.
Okay.
And then, after this, I need to put 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Okay.
This is half teaspoon.
Lilista mo na. Para sabi.
No, I'm recording it, yeah.
Higher.
Okay. Then, you need also 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You need to put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce on it. Okay. And then, you need to mix it.
And this can be true of any beef?
Yes, this is beef with broccoli.
Okay.
Okay. This is not to any beef you cook. Of course, it's different dishes, different food. So what you're gonna do is just
Halo-halo.
you just stir it. You just mix it thoroughly, and leave it for about 5-10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
See? So I need to do this. Para the marinade, yung marinade, it will become even. You know, the salt, the wine, the pepper, the soy sauce, and sugar will be even. Kasi the taste of the taste better. Okay. Then after this, set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
And then, after I set this for 5-10 minutes, I will sprinkle 1 tablespoon of cornstarch before I stir fry it. If I will do it now, it will become very sticky.
Okay.
So before you stir fry it, just sprinkle a 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. That's it, and then I prepare the broccoli.
Okay.
Alright, and ginger and onion.